Again, welcome, Jai Hind. Part 2 lecture of EFS. Okay, so in this lecture till now, I and we create the instance, okay, and host the static website. After this, we create the file system and access point. So next, we need to SSH in Git bash. Okay, so copy the public IP and open your GitBash and log in it. Okay, SSH in it. Okay, so open this and I already log in my GitBash. Okay, I'm show you what inside the root directory. Okay, ls. See this. Okay, here is the temp directory where user sbin all are things. Okay, so we need to visit the head.www.html. We see the image section where the image section is present. Okay, so cd where www html. Okay, here is here ls. Okay, here is the image. So we work on this. Okay, so before coming on this, we need to visit the official documentation of AWS on EFS. Okay, so here the documentation. Okay, so going inside this, installing the EFS client, click on manually installing the EFS client. Okay, click on this and select the installing the Amazon EFS client on Amazon Linux install. If you other operating system, then you select other. Okay, if you have Mac instance and other instances, select according to your need. Okay, so I am using Amazon EC2 Linux instance, so I select click on this and we need to install a package that is Amazon EFS util package. So you need to copy these commands and run in GitBash. Okay, so cd cd. Okay, okay, basically a basic command of Linux. Paste here. Okay, okay, the installs the package. The command successfully done. Okay, so we again need to visit the official documentation and select some other command. Okay, we need to next command that is you need to learn, that is the mounting file system command. Okay, so come at this option, that is a mounting file system. So and click on automatically mounting file system. Click on this and select. There is a few options. First is new EC2 Linux instance, but I already launched the instance. It means I have a existing EC2 Linux instance. Okay, click on this. Okay, click on this. So read carefully this documentation for few seconds. Okay, keep in mind etc fsf file. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, we need to edit these files. Okay, and pre-request. Okay, see this update the etc. All instructions are mentioned here. Okay, in documentation, this is very important documentations. And if you are going with the IMA authorization to access the file system, okay, then you go with this command. Okay, if you are going to the EFS access fund, so we are going to through access fund. So we need to copy this command and copy this command and fill the essential of information like file system ID. Okay, EFS mount point. Okay, access point ID. So I copy this command and paste there. So I already do this. Okay, but I am copy from where I need to. I know this, but I am going to visit where this information is present. Basically, this is a basic information of file system ID. We need what these things: file system ID and access point. That is both created. You know where this meet. Okay, so visit on this, and this here is the file system ID. Here is the access point. Okay, so copy this and paste this, replace this. Okay, and okay, so EFS mount point where I'm going to mounting. In starting of the lecture, I mentioned that I'm going to mount image in another file system. Okay, that image in another file system. So I mentioned the ID. Okay, where www html and image. Okay, so we need to copy this, copy this, and carefully copy. No extra space should be included. Okay, copy this, Control C, and minimize this, and update the git bash. Okay, so click on this git bash. So here we need to, first of all, we need to create take a backup of image. Okay, and first of all we are going to create the temp directory. Okay, tmp. Okay, switch inside temp directory, and inside this we create the what things: image backup. Okay, so image backup. Okay, so when you create the image backup, then you need to create the image backup. Okay, hit enter. Okay, ls, see this image backup file is ready. Okay, so cd. Okay, ls, see here there is a image section, so we need to take the backup of image. So we need to move all the content of this. So mb images, all the constant means to stick side to here, temp directory, inside img backup. Backup. Okay, hit enter. So error. Okay, other one. What error? So this is a basic error. We need to capture. Think what is the error? Tell me. To pause the lecture and comment me what is the error. So do silly mistake. Okay. So you can find this and take the backup. Okay. See, clear the screen and run this command ls image. So I am able to take the backup of this file. So we need to open the fstep file. Okay. Fstep file. Okay. etc fstep file. Copy this and open in GitOS. Use vim editor and paste this etcf step. Okay. Yes. So I'm going to resize. So I fit in this system. Okay. And we need to go in a new, click on this. Okay. Hit and copy this command. Okay. Okay. Control C. Okay. Paste here. Okay. Paste. This is my, save this, colon WQ and hit the enter. So I do this. So my next action is to run a very special and short command. That command is mount -fab. Okay. mount. Oh, sorry. Okay. mount mount hyphen fav successfully mounted. Okay. It takes very less time. Click and mount. Very super fast things. Okay. Very super fast. So we need to think. Okay. Our task is completed or not. But one thing is left. Okay. So I to practical. Go and copy this access point, I think. File system, click on this, and I think copy and search here is opening or not. Sorry, very sorry. I think yeah, refresh this website. See, image is gone. But now all images are gone. Why? Think and comment me. Pause the lecture and comment me why image is gone. Okay, I give you answer. Please comment me. Okay, you got it or not got it? I think you got it. The reason I take the backup of image. We need to transfer this image to the main file. Okay, so go inside this and run this command. We need to run this command. Okay, I already run this, so this take care. So this message is printed. Okay, this no such file or like I think I already run this in sometime before recording the lecture. Okay, so I'm going to back on this website and refresh. Coming or not? I wait. Is cam or not? Okay, my network is slow. Takes some time. So this image is not what error. Think. I give one more chance. Okay, think. Why? And I think we need to troubleshoot df minus h. Come on, you don't need to df here. See this, there is no more. It means mount was not successful. Okay, so somewhere it's so error. Okay, so we need to think where is the mistake. Okay, think. It's a very important lecture on EFS. Early image cam. My mistake is I duplicacy in backup file. Okay, so I see this is what I looked. Okay, history. Okay, so basically I first of all create unzip my zip files, then create a backup file. After copy in this and move inside this ls. Okay, then it come. Okay, so basically my purpose is successful. Okay, see this df minus h. I don't know why here not so the file system. Okay, but when I run the command that is mount minus fav happen, then it show that is a successfully mounted. See, so I try to uh, follow this, but the purpose of this lecture is completed. Okay, and this is a new type of error I face. So, okay. So we need to create a template of this. Uh, Basically, we create the image of this instance. So I use in the next lecture, that is a auto scaling. Okay. So create an instance state, create on action. And first of all, you need to select here. Okay. Tick this and go inside this and create an image. Okay. Okay. I think some issue inside this instance for creating. Okay. You create this. I already create the image. Okay. We need to fill all the information because it's the first time and the face issue in this lecture. Okay. Create template form instance. Okay. We need to template name and directly create the template. Okay. This is working. But why this is not working, I don't know. I think we need to contact with the support team. Okay. Why this is happening? I do all the right thing. Okay. Image. Okay. This basically the fail to fetch instance ID. Okay. I don't know what happened. So thank you for watching this lecture. This lecture is very big and long. So I think you need to learn so much things from this lecture. Okay. So I already create the image of this instance. So I have a image. Okay. So you need to create in your tool. In at this time when I show you how to create the image, this show error. I don't know what happened, but this show error. So in previous lecture lecture, I teach you how to create the image. Okay, so this is not a very big issue. Okay, I show you which AMI I created. That is here, Gymno EFS image. Okay, I already created on this. Okay, so I am going to pause this lecture and thank you for uh, support and watching this. In next lecture, we should come with auto scaling. That is one of the next topic in AWS. Okay, thank you.